Close to Ball State Campus and IU/Ball Hospital. 3-bedroom, 2-bath with 3-car garage and approximately 1,943 square feet. Split bedroom floor plan featuring open concept kitchen/dining/great room plus family room. Large corner lot with privacy fence, storage shed, and kennel area. Easy care luxury vinyl plank flooring throughout. Kitchen features stainless steel appliances including gas range/oven and dining area. Great room has cathedral/beamed ceiling. Spacious primary bedroom suite features attached bath with solid surface counter, makeup area, soaking tub, and standalone shower. Private backyard deck perfect for entertaining. Quality features include Andersen windows and gutter helmet. New gas furnace, 2010, roof, 2014, water heater, 2020, water softener, 2021, privacy fence 2022. Average utilities, gas, $87, electric, $155, water, $60, sewer, $56. Walking distance to New Riverside Trail.